Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my channel today. I got some news here about the Allure of the Seas. Today is August the 25th, 2019. The Allure of the Seas is supposed to leave Fort Lauderdale and head out to sea for a couple days over to St. Kitts and Puerto Rico. But Hurricane Dorian has changed everything. This storm is getting larger and is heading west, and that is forcing the folks at Royal Caribbean to alter the itinerary away from these spots right here because the ship was going to be smack dab in the middle of lousy weather. Now, could it run into a hurricane? Maybe St. Kitts may get hit, may not get hit, but the likelihood is that St. Kitts here and over here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, right here, are probably going to get quite a bit of rain, heavier winds, heavier seas, and the Royal Caribbean has decided, why don't we just change our itinerary? 1 week we do an Eastern Caribbean, 1 week we do a Western Caribbean. Let's make this a Western Caribbean cruise. So they're going to have a sea day, go to Labadee, then to Falmouth, Jamaica, a sea day over to Cozumel, and they'll work their way back to Fort Lauderdale, and they'll completely avoid all of the lousy weather and allow the folks on board the Allure of the Seas to enjoy themselves, enjoy all the amenities of the ship. They can hang out here at Labadee all day and not worry about any rough seas, rain, possible hurricane, you name it. So, smart move by Royal Caribbean. I wouldn't be surprised if more ships will be doing the same as the next few days come by here. We'll stay on top of this story and keep you posted on how this is going. So, Hurricane Dorian is already having an effect as she's coming in towards the Lesser Antilles and then into St. Kitts and St. Thomas and possibly Puerto Rico. We'll stay on top of this one and keep you posted. Join me Monday nights live at 8 o'clock for live cruise ship talk. And please subscribe to my channel today. Hit the bell notification icon and become a member, a sponsor member of the TWB channel. Thanks, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.